I'm Jackie Parker. I've lived here in Fort Smith all of my life. I'm not going to tell you how many years that's been, but in the 60s, I worked here at Smith Chevrolet as secretary to Mr. Durden, the sales manager. And my late brother, my mother, my entire family has always bought their vehicles from Smith. And of course, I started too in the 60s. I've owned many vehicles from Smith, from Cadillac to Chevrolets to Corvettes, and now a beautiful 2015 Tahoe. I just wouldn't consider going anywhere else but Smith. Mr. Mo Smith, the late John Smith, and now his grandson has got a wonderful dealership here, and we appreciate their wonderful cars and their excellent service. Thank you so much.